Go.
Welcome to the Madison. You just came in. We have a beautiful front porch, room to sit outside. You notice right away the open architecture flows all the way through the house. To your right, we have an office. Many people will have a built-in desk there. Over here we have what we call a switchback staircase to the lower level. Architecturally very attractive. People love that. Now we come into the great room. Many of our homes, most of our homes have a vaulted ceiling. We are a custom builder. We can do whatever we prefer. Here we're showcasing what we call a box vault. It's a little bit more contemporary look. Highlighted here by the cross beams. As an aside, you'll see we're still not quite complete. We're about 2 weeks out, but you can get a good feel for what it will be like. Beautiful open kitchen. Again, we're a custom builder. We can design the kitchen cabinetry exactly as you want it. Now, very important. This is what I've been talking about. The screen porch. The attributes of the Madison model, we want it to be on the left side of the home. Imagine that view. You're looking out over the park that you've seen in prior videos. You have a 180-degree view of the park and along the other backyards. Back inside, a large family dining area. Plus the center island easily seats 4 people for informal dining. The great room, often people will have a fireplace, maybe some built-ins on the side wall. Come on back to the back hall. Coming in off the garage, you have a bench, nice stained back with hooks. Back hall closet, which leads right into the laundry room. We'll come back to that later. Here we have our guest bath, right off the public areas, but still very private. What we call a floating cabinet, very attractive. Now to the master bedroom. Ample size. Again, a view out to the park. Master bath, they're kind of busy in there right now, but you'll see a separate tub and shower, double sinks, private toilet area, and what people love, you go from the bathroom to the closet to the laundry room, all connected. closet is done. We work with a custom cabinet or closet design firm. You could design these to your liking. Laundry room with cabinets, more storage. Many people put a rod for hanging things up above there.